With direct live connection between AutoCAD and Revit using LINKo7, you can directly draw or model in AutoCAD and export these entities to Revit by a click of a button. Similarly, you can import them into Revit also by a click of a button. This applies to existing entities in AutoCAD as well. This type of connection links one AutoCAD drawing file to a Revit project file with a unique identifier. You can assign new identifier to any pair of a drawing and a project file, or you can use an existing one to establish the connection at a later time.